Nvidia reveals world's fastest AI supercomputer. What if someone told you that there exists a chip that can sustain the equivalent of the entire world's internet traffic? A chip that promises 9 times faster AI training and up to 30 times faster AI inference in popular machine learning models. Yes, you heard that right, and it is now possible. Nvidia Corporation, an American multinational technology company famous for its invention of GPUs, has recently announced its Hopper H100 GPU, which has psyched the minds of the users with the capabilities it provides. In this video, we'll talk about the world's fastest AI supercomputer that has taken the world by storm to power the next wave of AI data centers. Hey everyone, welcome to AI Future Life, a perfect channel for everything about the innovation in AI. Hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. And with that being said, let's begin. It's been just a short amount of time since Nvidia has revealed in its 2-hour-long GTC, that is GPU Technology Conference, not to be confused with GDC, where this year the company has announced the Hopper H100 GPUs, which is said to provide up to 9 times faster training over the prior generation from Mixture of Experts (MOE) models. It promises up to 9 times faster AI training and up to 30 times faster AI inference in popular machine learning models over the previous generation's A100 released just 2 years ago. What is the H100 GPU? The H100 Tensor Core GPU is a successor to the wildly successful A100 GPU, which is more than just an incremental upgrade to A100. And it is being considered to be the next generation GPU. Named for Grace Hopper, a pioneering US computer scientist, the new architecture succeeds the Nvidia Ampere architecture, launched 2 years ago. The company also announced its first Hopper-based GPU, the Nvidia H100, packed with 80 billion transistors, the world's largest and most powerful accelerator. The H100 has groundbreaking features such as a revolutionary transformer engine and a highly scalable Nvidia NVLink interconnect for advancing gigantic AI language models, deep recommender systems, genomics, and complex digital twins. Nvidia H100 is the engine of the world's AI infrastructure that enterprises use to accelerate their AI-driven businesses, claimed the founder and CEO of Nvidia, Jensen Huang. The Nvidia H100 GPU sets a new standard in accelerating large-scale AI and HPC, delivering 6 breakthrough innovations. So how is this one different from the old one? The H100 GPU is packed with 80 billion transistors, while the previous generation of GPUs, based on A100, had 54.2 billion transistors. This increase in transistors results in faster calculations and processing. H100 GPU features a second-generation secure multi-instance GPU (MIG) with capabilities extended by 7 times the previous version. Nvidia claims the new GPU architecture provides approximately 3 times more compute capacity and nearly 2 times more memory bandwidth per GPU instance than A100. The H100 GPU also comes with inbuilt support for DPX instructions that accelerate dynamic programming algorithms by up to 7 times over the A100 GPU. Dynamic programming was developed in the 1950s to solve complex problems using 2 key techniques based on recursion and memorization. Applications that rely on complex SQL queries, quantum simulation, and route optimization can take advantage of the DPX instruction set available in H100. The new DPX instructions accelerate dynamic programming, which is used in a broad range of algorithms, including route optimization and genomics, by up to 40 times, compared with CPUs, and up to 7 times compared with the previous generation GPUs. This includes the Floyd-Warshall algorithm to find optimal routes for autonomous robot fleets in dynamic warehouse environments, and the Smith-Waterman algorithm used in sequence alignment for DNA and protein classification and folding. The programmers can relate heavily to this, as dynamic programming algorithms use up a huge chunk of your memory. But with the Hopper architecture, you don't have to worry about your computer lagging anymore. The H100 GPU is optimized for transformers. The inbuilt transformer engine uses a combination of software and custom Nvidia Hopper Tensor Core technology explicitly designed to accelerate transformer model training and inference. Transformers represent the latest developments in neural networks architecture for training computer vision and conversational AI models. They are used in large language models such as Google's BERT and OpenAI's GPT-3, thus solving another problem that affects the working capacity of an engineer or any other programmer. The world's most advanced chip, as per Nvidia, the H100 features major advances to accelerate AI, HPC, memory bandwidth, interconnect, and communication, including nearly 5 terabytes per second of external connectivity. H100 is the first GPU to support PCIe Gen 5 and the first to utilize HBM3, enabling 3 TB per second of memory bandwidth. 20 H100 GPUs can sustain the equivalent of the entire world's internet traffic, making it possible for customers to deliver advanced recommender systems and large language models running inference on data in real time. Its new Transformer engine, which is now the standard model choice for natural language processing, the Transformer is one of the most important deep learning models ever invented. The H1 Accelerator's Transformer engine is built to speed up these networks as much as 6 times versus the previous generation without losing accuracy. Second generation secure multi-instance GPU, commonly known as the MIG technology, allows a single GPU to be partitioned into 7 smaller, fully isolated instances to handle different types of jobs. The Hopper architecture extends MIG capabilities by up to 7 times over the previous generation by offering secure multi-tenant configurations in cloud environments across each GPU instance. IT managers seek to maximize the utilization of computer resources in the data center. They often employ dynamic reconfiguration of computing to the right size resources for the workloads in use. Second generation multi-instance GPU (MIG) in H100 maximizes the utilization of each GPU by securely partitioning it into as many as 7 separate instances with confidential computing support. H100 allows secure end-to-end multi-tenant usage, ideal for cloud service provider (CSP) environments. H100 with MIG lets infrastructure managers standardize their GPU-accelerated infrastructure while having the flexibility to provision GPU resources with greater granularity to securely provide developers the right amount of accelerated compute and optimize usage of all their GPU resources. H100 is no doubt the world's first accelerator with confidential computing capabilities to protect AI models and customer data while they are being processed. Customers can also apply confidential computing to federated learning for privacy-sensitive industries like healthcare and financial services, as well as on-shared cloud infrastructures. To accelerate the largest AI models, NVLink combines with a new external 4th-generation Nvidia NVLink switch to extend NVLink as a scale-up network beyond the server, connecting up to 256 H100 GPUs at 9 times higher bandwidth versus the previous generation using Nvidia HDR Quantum InfiniBand. Data analytics often consumes the majority of time in AI application development. Since large datasets are scattered across multiple servers, scale-out solutions with commodity CPU-only servers get bogged down by lack of scalable computing performance. Accelerated servers with H100 deliver the compute power along with 3 TB per second of memory bandwidth per GPU and scalability with NVLink and NVSwitch to tackle data analytics with high performance and scale to support massive datasets. Combined with Nvidia Quantum 2 InfiniBand, the Magnum I/O software, GPU-accelerated Spark 3.0, and Nvidia Rapids, the Nvidia data center platform is uniquely able to accelerate these huge workloads with unparalleled levels of performance and efficiency. The combined technology innovations of H100 extend Nvidia's AI inference and training leadership to enable real-time and immersive applications using giant-scale AI models. The H100 will enable chatbots to use the world's most powerful monolithic transformer language model, Megatron 530B, with up to 30 times higher throughput than the previous generation, while meeting the sub-second latency required for real-time conversational AI. H100 also allows researchers and developers to train massive models such as Mixture of Experts with 395 billion parameters, up to 9 times faster, reducing the training time from weeks to days. Nvidia H100 can be deployed in every type of data center, including on-premises, cloud, hybrid cloud, and edge. It is expected to be available worldwide later this year from the world's leading cloud service providers and computer makers, as well as directly from Nvidia. Hopper has received broad industry support from leading cloud service providers, Alibaba Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Baidu AI Cloud, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Oracle Cloud, and Tencent Cloud, which plan to offer H100-based instances. A wide range of servers with H100 accelerators is expected from the world's leading systems manufacturers, including Atos, Box Technologies, Cisco, Dell Technologies, Fujitsu, Gigabyte, H3C, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, Inspire, Lenovo, Netrix, and Supermicro. Okay, I get it. Nvidia's new chip is the fastest and the most powerful chip as of now, but what are its future plans? Nvidia talked about its future plans at the GTC 2022. They talked about increasing its performance up to 1 million times by 2023. This could enable amazing new GPU features and surpass the performance of the human brain by tens of hundredfold. Every day is a day closer to technological singularity. Experience robots learning to walk and think, humans flying to Mars, and us finally merging with technology itself. And as all of that happens, we at our channel cover the absolute cutting-edge best technology inventions of humanity. So for more such amazing tech innovations, stay tuned. That's all we have for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Comment and let us know which startup impressed you the most. Also, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for such interesting topics. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.